Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing the song Mine by Taylor Swift. Alright, so I'm going to show you the most basic chords to play this. We don't even have a capo for this song, so yeah, just stay tuned for that. First chord is a okay, let's start with the chorus. Alright, so for your chorus, the first chord is going to be a C, which is open, 3 2 open, 1 open, right? And then we go to G, which is 3 2 open open, 3 3, and then we go to D, which is open open open, 2 3 2, and then we have an E minor, which is open 2 2 open open open. And just to twist things up, we're gonna play an A minor, which is open open 2 2 1 open, and the chords go like this. Do you remember C? And then we go to G, and then we have D, E minor, right? And then this time we're gonna twist it up to C, G, D, and instead of E minor, we're gonna play A minor and then E minor, right? And then we're back to C. So that's basically a chorus, and then post-chorus is just so that's just C, G. Alright, that's your post-chorus. Now let us start with the verse, okay? And the strumming pattern for the chorus is, let me just do that part. So that's down 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 down. Alright, and you're muting the strings with your palm to get that rhythm really going. So if you don't mute, it's gonna sound like this, which isn't too bad, but then compared to this, it's just all over the place. This is more contained and it sounds better. Alright, so let me just press play so that I make sure I'm giving you guys the right chords. I'm actually listening to the song. It's my first time listening to it. So the intro. C, G, and then D. Right. And I'm plucking 5 4 3 2 for C, and then 6 4 3 2 for G, and then for D 4 3 2. This is your verse, your intro, your pre-chorus, and then we get into the chorus. C, G, D, and then E minor. That's your post-chorus. This is now your verse. That's just C, G, D. That's your chorus, your that's your verse, your pre-chorus, your post-chorus, and then the chorus is the only one with the chords that we started with. These ones. And again, if you want to switch it up, and then we have a progression change on the bridge. E minor to C to D. Right, that whole I remember that fight at 25. That's just E minor, C, and D. And then we go back to Brace Myself for the Good Life, C, G, D. have C on. He said, I'll never leave you alone. And then we're back. And I remember how it felt turning out the water. And every time I kiss you, it's like the first time. Alright, that's pretty much the whole song, guys. The same chords throughout. It's a very easy song. You have to learn this. I always say Taylor Swift songs are the best songs to play for any guitarist. Well, those ones and John Mayer ones and Ed Sheeran. But then if you're starting out and you just want to learn how much you can do with basic chords, definitely play Taylor Swift. And if you have a capo, that actually makes it much easier to just, you know, like any pitch that goes with your voice. So yeah, that's been it for this video, guys. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.